Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to change or delete the owner on a Chromebook. So how can you do it? So what you need to do is just log into your Chromebook, select the clock on the Chrome itself and select the settings advanced and reset power wash section to erase the hard drive and remove yourself as an owner. So this is a kind of overview. So if we go through the step-by-step process, so first thing that you can do is you'll be seeing this interface. So from here just click on this like clock side icon. So from here just click here and you will be able to see this settings option. So just click on settings, and once you click on settings, after that you will be seeing this interface as you can see. So from here just make sure to click on advanced, and once you click on advanced, after that you will be seeing this interface. And from here you just need to make sure that click on the recent settings and power wash. So just select reset, and once you click on reset, like you will be able to remove all the owner's account from this device. And once you restart your device, you can like add yourself as a new owner or try any other user as well. So this is the like complete and easy process of how you can change the owner or remove owner on a Chromebook.